Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Assessment Travel. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Assessment Travel. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully and understand this assessment. Now move to the question number 1. Here is our book. Question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Assessment. Grader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question you will have to download this workbook Exp22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Assessment Travel from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Here is a file. You can see that. Now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is before using the subtotal command you must first sort the data. On the subtotals worksheet, sort the data by employee and further sort by category both in alphabetical order. First we will go to the sort and filter, custom sort, employee, then by category, both in alphabetical order, then press OK. Data are sorted by employees and category. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is you want to subtotal the data to calculate expenses by employee. Use the subtotals feature to insert subtotal rows by employee to calculate the total expense by employee. Basically in this question you will have to use subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by employee to calculate the total expenses by employee. And click on outline, then go to subtotal. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by employee. By employee. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is now you want to hide the details for the two employees and focus on detail for the remaining employees. Collapse the Davidson and Miller section to show only their totals. Leave the other employees' individual rows displayed. Now move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is for more detailed analysis, you are ready to create a pivot table. Click on pivot table and then use the expenses worksheet to create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet named summary. Name the pivot table categories. Then rename this expenses and name the categories. Give pivot table name to categories. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is you want to include the category and expense field in the pivot table. Use the category and expense field enabling Excel to determine where the field go in the pivot table. First you will have to use the category and expense field, then go to the workbook. First you will have to select the category and expense field, enabling Excel to determine where the field go in the pivot table. Question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is you want to display average expenses instead of totals. Modify the values field to determine the average expense by category. Change the custom name to average expenses. Go to the workbook and the field name. Simply you will have to copy this name average expense and press OK. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is format the values field with accounting number format. First you will have to select the values and convert it into accounting number format. You will go to the home tab, then click on this dollar sign. The values are converted into the accounting number format. Question number 8 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is question number 9 is you want to display a meaningful label and select a different layout type category in cell A3 and change the grand total layout option to on for rows. Click on this row label to category design tab and grand totals on for rows only. Question number 9 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is apply light blue pivot style dark to and display banded rows. Basically in this question you will have to apply a light blue theme on the pivot table and display the banded rows. We'll go to the workbook, then go to the design tab, then click on this drop down and select this one. We have now completed 10 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses, MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.